Hello viewers, today I will answer your question, that is, what is the delight number in DoorDash? So let's get started. The delight number on DoorDash is a score that measures a restaurant's overall service quality on the application. It is more than just food, it reflects the complete customer experience. Its key factors are order accuracy, speed, and customer satisfaction. So let's talk about order accuracy. It represents how often orders are prepared correctly. Speed shows how quickly the food is prepared and ready for delivery, and customer satisfaction involves feedback and ratings from customers after receiving their orders. Think of it as a rating system but more advanced than simple stars. A restaurant that frequently makes mistakes or takes too long will have a lower delight number even if the food tastes good. Conversely, a restaurant that prepares food quickly, keeps orders accurate, and receives positive feedback will have a higher delight number. And that's how you will be able to choose which restaurant you are going to order from. And that's all. Always remember, DoorDash uses the delight number to determine how often a restaurant appears to user, its position in search results. That's all. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.